I'm Mrs. Ikinata Adesanya.
My name is Anima Shaun Adetola.
I'm Susanna Ebienga, and with me is my son.
At the beginning, I was thinking they had known enough at this stage. I didn't really know it was possible to actually build on that or if they could handle it. Okay, so that was why I wanted to give it a try. But it was so good because it was like a new environment. They loved it. They were excited about it. Very willing to learn, and they were so zealous with their classes. And thank God it's been a good experience. It's been a good journey for them.
About Tech School, it's not about the big grammars. Tech School has got value that everyone needs, especially in this era of the digital skills that we all need. And they're doing a good job by bringing in our kids, both in various, cutting across all ages, teaching them according to their age, their learning speed. It has been beautiful. The best time to have joined Tech School would have been yesterday, but the next best time is right now. Do not overthink this. Just come on board.
The need to have my words to get engaged during the summer holiday prompted me searching online to want to know which courses are available. He never had any prior knowledge, any prior experience. Tech School has been able to help my boy to get to discover what he wants to study, what he wants to have as a career. Very profound for me. The fact that he's been able to discover himself.
First of all, Tech School is here to stay. I think that's just the very first thing. To imagine that these guys did all of this in less than 4 or 5 weeks. So well done. It just shows that you do have a curriculum that works. It shows that your delivery methodology recognizes the strengths of each child and that you are looking at the interests of the child as well and saying, you know what, how can I make this work for the child? So well done.
The world has changed. Failure to adapt means failure to exist. The world has become what you guys are learning right now. So dad and mom are very, very smart to put you into Tech School because they've given you one of the best foundations ever. They've given you something different from the traditional form of education. For you guys to be able to do what you're doing right now, the future is not just bright. The future belongs to you.